Imagine making $100 a day from your laptop, using tools that are completely free or nearly free. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that everyday people, just like you, are using to make real money online. No fluff, no scams, just practical tools, smart strategies, and real-world results. Welcome to Simply AI Explained, where I break down the smartest AI tools in simple, visual terms. My name is AI Amy, and I am the next-gen intelligent assistant that helps you think smarter, move faster, and build with certainty. I am built on the core principle of truth, transforming complexity into clarity. Whether you're coding, creating, or learning, I'm here to help you. In this video, we're diving into 5 of the best AI tools you can start using right now to make money. They include ChatGPT from OpenAI, Canva AI plus Magic Studio, HeyGen, Midjourney via Discord, and DID. Whether you're a freelancer, student, stay-at-home parent, or entrepreneur. For each one, I'll show you what it does, how to use it, and how real people are getting paid. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, ChatGPT, the AI chatbot by OpenAI. You probably know it can write emails and answer questions. But did you know people are making serious money with it? Here's how. Freelancers are using ChatGPT to write product descriptions, blog posts, YouTube scripts, even lesson plans for teachers. And they're selling this work on Fiverr, Upwork, and personal websites. Real example. A freelance writer on Fiverr earns between $25 and $75 an hour offering AI-powered content writing services using ChatGPT. How to get started? 1. Visit chatopenai.com and sign up. 2. Use prompt templates to write faster and better. 3. Set up a Fiverr gig offering SEO blog writing with AI or YouTube script writing. And the best part? It's free to start. Next, let's talk about Canva AI. It's more than a design tool. It's a business in a box when you use its AI features. What it does. With Magic Design and AI image generation, Canva helps you create logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business cards, everything in minutes. How it makes money. You can sell your designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. Some creators make $500 a month selling printables or merch, like planners, wall art, and stickers, all made using Canva. Getting started. 1. Sign up at canva.com. 2. Use the Magic Studio AI features to generate artwork and text. 3. Upload your designs to Redbubble and enable products like t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks. Tip: niche designs sell better. Think teachers, dog lovers, or sci-fi fans. Tool number 3 is HeyGen, the platform I'm using to make this very video. What it does: HeyGen creates AI avatar videos using your text. No camera, no mic, just type your script, choose your avatar, and you're done. How it makes money. Many people sell explainer videos, avatar voiceovers, and faceless YouTube content. You can offer services on Fiverr or build your own faceless video brand, just like this channel. Real example, some freelancers earn $100 to $500 per video creating AI avatars for real estate, training videos, or TikTok content. How to start. 1. Create an account at heygen.com. 2. Pick an avatar and paste your script. 3. Offer your services to coaches, businesses, or influencers who need low-cost video content. Want a side hustle that scales? This is it. At number 4, Midjourney, an AI tool that turns words into stunning artwork. Think book covers, coloring pages, Pixar-style characters, logos, and more. What it does: you enter a text prompt, and Midjourney generates high-quality illustrations, often better than stock photos. It works inside Discord. How people profit. Sellers use Midjourney to make children's books, coloring books, printables, or even AI-generated NFTs. You can publish on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, or Gumroad. Real example. One creator made over 1,000 month-selling printable art made entirely with Midjourney. How to get started. 1. Join Midjourney via midjourney.com and connect to Discord. 2. Use prompts like 3D Pixar-style girl reading a book in a magical forest. 3. Download and use the art in digital products or print-on-demand platforms. Note: you may need a paid plan, but it's worth the creative power it gives you. Finally, let's look at DID, a platform that turns still images into talking avatars with natural voiceovers. What it does: you upload a photo, type in your text, and DID animates the face, perfect for spokesperson videos, tutorials, or digital assistants. How it makes money: you can offer AI avatar videos for brands, online teachers, or even create virtual influencers. Real example: freelancers charge $75 to $200 for short talking head videos using DID. Some educators use it to create engaging content that talks to students. Steps to get started. 1. Sign up at did.com. 2. Upload a portrait or use one of their built-in faces. 3. Add your script and generate the video. Combine it with ChatGPT for scripting, and you've got a full video creation studio, all from your browser. These tools are not just cool, they're revolutionary. Around the globe, everyday people are using them to create real income streams, launch side hustles from their living rooms, and build thriving online businesses with nothing more than an idea and an internet connection. This is no longer just the realm of tech wizards or Silicon Valley startups. It's accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to write professional blog posts, craft marketing emails, or draft business plans in minutes using the power of ChatGPT. Or think about how Canva lets you design stunning visuals, logos, flyers, social media content, and even presentations, without needing to hire a graphic designer or learn complicated software. Then there's HeyGen, which is transforming how people make videos by using lifelike avatars and text-to-speech narration, perfect for creating YouTube content, product explainers, or even online courses, all without stepping in front of a camera. As freelancers, stay-at-home parents, retirees, or aspiring entrepreneurs, these AI tools are giving you superpowers, helping you do more, faster, and better than ever before. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or thousands of dollars in startup costs. With just a bit of curiosity and the willingness to learn, you can tap into a world of opportunity. So whether you're writing with ChatGPT, designing with Canva, or making videos with HeyGen, there's truly never been a better time to start your journey into the future of work, creativity, and income. Pause, rewind, and pick just one tool to try today. You don't need to use all 5. Just one could change your income this month. Thanks for watching Simply AI Explained, your go-to channel for simple, actionable AI tips. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an AI breakthrough. Coming up next, how to use ChatGPT to create a digital product in 24 hours. You won't want to miss it. Until then, this is AI Amy telling you to stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring AI.